If your Xiaomi, Redmi or a POCO phone is running on HyperOS and you want to remove those unwanted applications from your phone without rooting it, I'll show you an easy way to do that. It's a simple 5-step process that will take just 15 to 20 minutes of your time. You'll need a laptop or a PC plus your phone and a USB cable. For this particular video, I'll be using my Xiaomi 12 Pro running on HyperOS 3. So let's get started. For step number 1, we are going to download a couple of software tools on our computer. First, we'll download the Android platform tools, which is a zip file, so please go ahead and extract it. Second, we'll download the HyperOS Debloater from GitHub. This one is also a zip file, so please extract it. Open the extracted folder, copy the bash file and paste it directly into your extracted platform tools folder. At the time of recording this video, this HyperOS Debloater is on version 17. There might be some updates in the future, but the overall functions should remain almost the same. I'll place all the download links in the video description, so don't forget to check them out. In step number 2, we are going to prepare our phone. So please open your device settings, go to About Phone and tap on the OS version multiple times until you see a prompt saying that you are a developer now. Then go back to the main settings menu, scroll down to additional settings and open developer options. Here you need to turn on USB debugging. You might see a message popping up on your screen. Please accept it and press OK. Right below that, you need to enable USB debugging security settings. But please note that you need a Xiaomi account to enable this setting. So you can either log into your account or create a new one. It is very easy. Now let's move to step number 3. This one is really important, so please make sure you follow everything closely. First, connect your phone to your PC. Second, open the extracted platform tools folder on your computer. Type cmd in the folder's address bar and hit enter. This will open a command prompt window. Now type adb space devices inside the command prompt and hit enter. You'll likely see a pop-up on your phone asking for authorization. Please accept that and you should then see your device ID appear in the command prompt window. Just a quick note here, if you don't see your device ID in the command prompt window, there might be an issue with your USB cable, your USB hub or the ADB drivers on your PC. I will leave a link in the description that is going to help you install the proper ADB and Fastboot drivers in just 5 minutes. So please make sure to check it out. Finally, we have step number 4 and 5. This is where we'll work with the actual tool and start removing the bloatware. First, simply drag the HyperOS Debloat bash file directly into your command prompt window and hit enter. You will be presented with 3 different options: Standard Debloat, Interactive Application Explorer and a Refresh Device Cache. I'll be going with the second option because it is very easy to use. So you can simply enter the number 2 in the command prompt. As you can see, this option only shows you the bloatware applications currently installed on your phone, so you can manage them one by one. You do not need to delete every single application present in this list. Some applications might look useless, but they are actually required by your device to work properly. So please be careful here. I'll try to include a list of applications that are completely safe to remove in the video description. So please make sure to check it out first. Once you are in the list, you can use the W key on your keyboard to scroll up and S key to scroll down. You can also use A and D to page up and down quickly. If you want to delete any application, you can simply scroll down until it is highlighted. Then hit the E key on your keyboard to execute. On my Xiaomi 12 Pro, I will try to delete the MI application store, which is Xiaomi Get Apps, so that you get an idea how this tool works. I will just scroll down the list until it is highlighted and press E. This will take you straight to the application management panel specifically for Get Apps. From here, you can completely remove it by pressing the F key on your keyboard for a safe remove. The best part is that if you make a mistake or change your mind, you can quickly restore it right here in this exact window by simply pressing the R key. Once you are done, you can simply press B to head back to the main application list. It is extremely simple. You can also check out other options if you want, but I found the Interactive Application Explorer to be the safest and the easiest way to clean up your device. If you follow the exact steps mentioned in this video, you should be able to remove most of the bloatware from HyperOS very quickly. And if you are planning to try this method on your device, please let me know about your experience in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.